You are watching Premium PYQ 2.0 December 2024 session unit number 6. First of all, as you can see right now on your screen, there were 7 questions in your December 2024 question paper, which means approximately 14 marks. So are these 14 marks easy or not? You will find out right now, and I hope if you have watched all the videos from unit number 1 to 5 previous videos plus 2019 till now all the videos, then these questions will be super easy for you and you will not find any difficulty in answering any of these questions. All the questions are directly from the PYQs or some are indirectly from the PYQs. Let's find out. First question says that the past model of intelligence developed by JP Das and associates is based on the work of Luria, and the three functional units proposed by Luria are. Now this question is again from your C book. Okay, if you have identified this, let's start the question. First of all, option number 1, I want you to point out object sensation, and option number D, motivation to pay attention. Okay, instead of solving this question directly, we will just move the another way. Okay, first of all, this guy, who is this is Alexander Luria for you. Based on Alexander Luria's work from Russia, these guys, JP Das and PASS model was developed of intelligence. Okay, we are doing unit number 6. First of all, object sensation is for your unit number 5, and motivation to pay attention is for you also for your unit number 5. These two topics from where you study, you will study these topics when we have studied about what? When we have studied about your observational learning or vicarious learning. Okay, the mnemonic I have shared with you: amid, attention, motivation, imitation, desire. Attention, memory, imitation, desire, those all things are very IMP, and one of the questions was also from this particular theory in this December 2024 paper. Okay, so motivation to pay attention has nothing to do with past model of intelligence. Okay, so option number D will easily get eliminated. Now we are left with two options. Object sensation, this is your, we are talking about what? We are going to talk about psychophysics over here. Okay, if you have referred to NCERT or any general psychology book as well, you will find out that what? You will find out that this sensation we are talking about JND, just notable difference. Okay, differential Lehman and all those things. So option number A will also get eliminated. What option you are left with? You are left with only option B, C and E, and that is the correct answer over here. Option number 3, B, C and E is the correct answer. Why? Cortical arousal and attention, this is the first thing. Then we are having planning. The full form is planning, attention, simultaneous and successive. Simultaneous, successive processing and structuring of cognitive abilities as well. So this is a important theory which has been repeated so far n number of times in your examination. So make sure that you study this past model from the C book as well or from any general psychology book as well that you are having. Okay, object sensation has to do with psychophysics, and who is the father of psychophysics? We have already discussed in the previous video. That is your G. Fechner, born in 1801. Okay, so this is for your psychophysics. That has nothing to do with unit number 6. This is your learning theory that has nothing to do with your intelligence as well. Okay, so past model of intelligence. Apart from this, what all models we have? We have another model by Spearman, two-factor theory of intelligence. We have Thurston, primary mental abilities. We have Gardner, multiple intelligence, and we have more of these such theories. Okay, so make sure that you revise all the intelligence theories, triarchic theory and more theories right before your examination. Let's move on to the next question, that is your semantics, morphemes, pragmatics and syntax. And this question is directly 100% copy paste from where? From your C book. Directly copy paste from your C book, so it becomes more easy. Semantics, morpheme, pragmatics and syntax, we have already done this thing n number of times. Okay, so what is the semantic? You can also remember like this: semantic memory. What is semantic memory? It talks about the meaning. Okay, you know 1947 India got independence. You know what happened on 14 February and all these things. Okay, so what is this? This is your semantic memory. And semantics meaning what? Social intercourse or interaction? No. Grammatically? No. This? No. What it should be? It should be study of meaning. Okay, so A will match with what? A will match with your study of meaning. Now syntax. What is the syntax? I am going. This is a syntax, correct, but going, am you, or going am I, this is a incorrect syntax. Okay, so what is it? It is the rules that specify how words are arranged to yield grammatically acceptable sentences. You will match D with second. and I hope you got the answer over here as well. Option number 3 is the correct answer over here. Now what is morpheme? Morpheme is your a minimal unit of speech, morpheme, and phonemes is for sound. Okay, so you can associate phone with your sound, hello hello hello, that sound thing, okay, with a minimum sound. And morpheme, you can associate m with m, it stand for the meaning, okay, specific meaning we are talking about. But if you talk about study of meaning, it will relate to semantics over here. And what is pragmatics? Pragmatics is simply function of language in social intercourse. Not, it is not intercourse, it is interaction. Okay, so C1, and that is how you will get the correct answer over here. We have solved two questions, and those are two questions are directly from your PYQ. This is directly copy paste from your C book, 100% copy pasted from your C book. You just need to revise well again and again. Now, moving forward to the next question, arrange the development of language through the examples given below. Now, this is again a question from your C book, but it is just more elaborative one. Okay, it is more elaborative one. That is why you might face difficulty. But if you will try to recall how you learn languages or how you learn any single particular language, then this question becomes super easy for you. Okay, so first of all, what did you learn? Did you learn vowels or did you learn consonants? Okay, if we talk about, we will not take English language into consideration, but if we take Hindi language or Indian languages, official 22 languages of India, if you go and if you learn, I bet you 100%, if we talk about Indian languages 22 official and more on that, any language will first teach you what? Will teach you vowels like that, okay? So if we talk about Hindi over here, first of all, what you would have learned? You would have learned a, E like that. So what are these? If you talk about in English, these are the vowels A, E, I, O, U. A, E, O, U, like this. And what you learn in Hindi? A, E. Then later on you start with K, Kh, G, G, and like that. Okay. So whenever a language development needs to take place, first of all, you will make sounds like what? You will make sounds like vowel, and making vowels like sound is the appropriate option over here. Okay, so this will come very first. There is no chance if you are doing any Indian language learning or you by birth you are going to learn any language, you will not say the consonant sound first. You will not say k, kh, g, gh or b, k, l, m, n, like words like these. These are the consonants. You will never say like this. Okay, so option number B will come first, making vowel like sounds. Then what will come? Adding consonant sounds to the vowel. Okay, so first of all, you would have learned this thing. Then later on, you will move on to learning all these things. Okay, so this is the vowel thing. These are the consonants, and this is how you will learn any particular language. Okay, so if any Indian language we talk about, first what will come? Vowel will come and then the consonant will come. Then what will come? It will come one word speech like sound, some noun, and then it becomes very easy. Option number 1 is the correct answer over here. For this, you just need to understand what is babbling, what is cooing, and all those things are given in the C book very clearly. And you just read that, read the front statements what are given over there, and you will be able to answer this question very easily. This question will again repeat, definitely it will repeat. They will ask you, they have asked the long term or long form question over here. Now they will ask what is cooing, what will come first? Cooing, babbling, one word, and things like that. But the main thing is, firstly you will make what? You will make vowel like sounds, okay, and then later on you will start doing consonants and all those things. Okay, so the correct answer over here is option number 1, BACED. Let's move on to the next question, that is the fourth one. Which one of the following is incorrect regarding metacognitive knowledge? So I have shown you previously also when we were solving 2021 metacognitive knowledge and regulation and all those things. So this is a question which came long back, after some time it was forgotten long back, but now they have asked about this thing. The correct answer over here is option number 3. It prevents monitoring progress while problem solving. We will not monitor our progress while we are talking about knowledge. It involves cognition about cognition. Yes, everything is correct over here, but option number 3 is not correct, and that is why we have asked what is the incorrect thing over here. Now moving forward, this question will never repeat. You just waste time solving this question. Okay, you just waste time solving this question. This is not going to repeat 100%. Okay, by any rarest of the rarest chance, 0.001%, this question will repeat again. Okay, so you just need to go study for paper 1 what is syllogism and what all things happen over there and how these are done. Apart from this particular examination, you are never going to learn about syllogism and these reading if you are not into that zone. Okay, so let's move forward. Don't waste time on such questions. Correct answer is option number 4. And these all questions, if you study about this also in the exam hall, some question will come and you will be not able to solve that. So don't worry, just leave such questions. Okay, nobody is there to solve 100 out of 100 questions. These questions will come out of nowhere and you will be stranded. Okay, now this one is the next one. In terms of creativity, what does divergent thinking refer to? And one of the easiest question. And now what does divergent thinking refer to? Coming with the most efficient solution to a problem. Okay. Generating multiple possible solutions. This question is directly from your NCERT as well, plus your general psychology book. Any psychology book you will refer, you will find what is divergent thinking. There are two types of divergent plus convergent, and the correct answer is your option number second. Following strict rules to solve problem? No, we are not going to solve with strict rules. Thinking within the limits of existing knowledge? No. Coming with the most efficient solution to a problem? No. Okay, we are talking about convergent thinking and divergent thinking by given by whom? If you know, it's well and good. If you don't, learn over here. It was given by J.P. Guilford. What he has given intelligence model of SOI, structure of intellect. Earlier it was 150, then 180, and things like that, which have product operations and units. And this all you will also find in the C book. Now moving forward to the next question, that is, I think this is going to be the last question. Yes, it is. The common barriers to successful problem solving includes the following except. Okay, now what is a problem solving? Problem solving is something where you are going to solve a particular problem. Okay, you don't have a bike, a car in your home, so what you will go, you will earn a lot of money and you will take a bike and car. Okay, now the common barriers to successful problem solving includes the following except. Okay, so what are the common barriers? So this question will give you two answers now. Okay, this question will give you two answers now. Okay, what is not the common barrier to successful problem solving, plus what are the three common barriers in problem solving? So what are the three common barriers? Functional fixedness. I have given you a coin and I am telling you use it for making a circle. Okay, you will make a circle only, but you will not be able to make a triangle anyhow. You will not be able to make a rectangle, or you can't use this coin any other way. You can't make it as a, what I can say, you can make it as a charger or whatever that is. Okay, or a bottleneck, something like that. But why? Because you are functionally fixed on that particular problem or that particular thing. So functional fitness is the first one. Then sub goals. Sub goals is not a common barrier. It is helpful for the problem solving. Okay. So to solve a problem, what you will do, you will not study unit number 1 to unit number 10 at once. What you have done, you have made sub goals that okay, what are the important units? I will study that first. What are the least common units? I will study this. And what is the most common and most easiest? I will study like that. So what you have done, it was a complete goal. You have made 1, 2 and 3 sub goals like that. So it is helpful for you. So that is why option number second is going to be the correct answer of this particular question. Why? Because it is asking about accept. Okay, so what are the common barriers to successful problem solving? Includes the following. If this was the question, what you would have marked? You would have marked A, C and D. These are the common barriers. Confirmation bias is a common barrier. Mental sets is a common barrier. Functional fitness is a common barrier to successful problem solving. But the question is asking us what is not, except, and then we will answer option number second, sub goals. With this, we are finished with our unit number 6 of your December 2024 session. You are watching Premium PYQ 2.0. See you all in the next video. I hope you are revising properly unit number 1 to 5, these videos and the previous 2019 videos, which will fetch you easy marks. Don't worry. Okay. See you all in the next video. That is going to be our part number 7, including personality, motivation, emotion, and all these things. Okay. All right. See you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. See you all soon.